Hello guys, review Tecno Spark 40. This version 8GB memory and 256GB storage, model KM5N with NFC, 5200 mAh battery, 45 watt for supercharge, 120 Hz display, 6.67 inch IP64 dust water resistance. Open box and look completion. We have device in the blue color, and in completion documentary, key for SIM slot. On this we have key for SIM slot and protected back cover, adapter for charging with quick charge, and Type-C cable. Okay, good. Now talk about device. Main camera on back side and these two fake cameras. On this side power button, wall buttons. On this side slot for nano SIM card, 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Speaker, main speaker on the downside, headphones jack and Type-C port. Okay, turn on device. Buttons on this side. IPS display HD resolution 120 Hz. We have Android 15, iOS 15 and Android 15. Okay. Open Geekbench 6, talk about system information. We have CPU MediaTek Helio G91, 6+2 cores processor and Mali G52 GPU. Look results. Single core score, multi-core score and GPU tests. Look AnTuTu benchmark. Okay. PUBG Mobile works on the high graphic level, medium or high graphic level. We have PUBG Mobile. Okay. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.